the 5th grade players in the skit about responsibility. Our presentation today is titled Secret Agent Responsibility. Attention, Central Control, we have an emergency. Send all available agents. There's a problem at Keeper Rockford Elementary. Some kids need a lesson in responsibility. It's up to you to help them. Are you up for the task?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then get there on the double. Those kids need to learn some responsibility.
We're on our way.
With Agent 006 and away on the job, the kids were in for a big surprise. The next Monday at Ashley's house, breakfast was going to be a big surprise.
Ashley, come down for breakfast. We're going to be late for school.
Hurry up. Do this. Do that. You'll be late. Time to start Operation No Responsibility. Did you remember to bring the characters in? Yep, got it right here. Amen, right, Amen. Tell them that's all its responsibility. This is how Ashley likes having it down. No responsibility.
Oh, I feel strange.
Okay, I'm here. Where's breakfast?
Breakfast? Well, I don't feel like making breakfast. Eat anything you want. You can go back to bed if you want. I'm going to watch television and eat this box of candy I was saving up for Valentine's Day. Or whatever you want.
Dad, I need my breakfast. Stop fooling around. Hey, did you buy me that new shirt? I was planning on wearing it today. Aren't you going to do anything? I'll be late for school. What's going on?
Secret Agents 006 and 008 went around zapping everyone's parents, naming the kids, teacher, and principal. The kids are about to find out what life is like when no one is responsible.
Owie! Is it just me, or is something really weird going on? Well, I'm usually late, but this morning my hand. Didn't even say sorry. Hey, all these kids are just as late as we are. We better get to class right away. The teacher's going to be really mad.
The kids were greeted by an even bigger surprise when they arrived at the classroom.
Where's the teacher? This room is out of control. What
moms and zapping everyone and giving them back their responsibility.
Open the curtain, please. More.
Hey, student, what's going on here? Everyone, back to your desk. Hey, where's my coat? What am I doing here like this? It's like everything's back to normal. Yeah, except that I'm gonna be more responsible from now on. Me too. I don't want anything like that to happen ever again. Just don't forget, if you ever need another lesson in responsibility, Secret Agents 006 and 008 will be on the job. Oh no. Oh no. We learned our lesson. Always be responsible.
Hi, I'm Janita Appleby and I play narrator. Hi, I'm Justin Foster and I play dad. I'm Colton Elsack and I play principal. Hi, I'm Nessa Smith and I play teacher. Hi, I'm Brandon Max and I play Joe. Hi, I'm Hannah Fennery and I play Mary. Hi, I'm Andrew Schaefer and I play Matthew. Hi, I'm Lionel Carter and I play Ashley. Hi, I'm Kelly Pierce and I play Secret Agent 008. Hi, I'm Kenneth Howard and I play Secret Agent 006. And let's not forget our stage crew, Kai Speckman on sounds, Hudson Roski on lights, and Hudson Ewell on curtains. Why are you on this curtain? Teachers have submitted names for the students who have demonstrated December's caretaking kindness and compassion. As we call your names, please come down to the front riser to be recognized. Please do not clap until all students have been announced. Kindergarten, Mrs. Comstock, Wesley Dowd, Jedi Wells. Mrs. Song, Grayson Kozlowski, and Caitlin Nicholas. Mrs. Grover, Brennan Fitzner, Archer Valmont. First grade, Miss Cummins, Liam Wilson, Mrs. Ayers. Miss Fossler, Nina Ross, and Ellsworth Johnson. Mrs. Roberts, Grace Quattro, Ryan Van Dalen. Mrs. Pierce and Mrs. Brunner, Patrick Brady and Bailey Robinson. Second grade, Mrs. Myers and Mrs. Bailey. Brantley Almond, Madalena Cornelius, Natalie Baldwin. Mrs. O'Keefe, Curtis Burnwell and Ethan Young.
Mrs. Rex, Addison Hall, Samuel Holmes, and Denny Young.
Third grade, Mrs. Blackstone, Joey Shelley.
Miss Anderson and Mrs. North. Joining section, Jackson Brunner.
Mrs. Tucker, Regan Keith, and Taran Tyler.
Mrs. Linderman, Abram Reynolds, Colton Pierce.
Fourth grade, Mrs. McDermott and Mrs. Feister, Stephen Dowd and Noah Lambert.
Mr. McDaniel and Mrs. Weaver. Dalton Keister, Grayson Gelster, Callie Slater.
Mrs. Weber, Isabel Clayson and Grayson White.
Fifth grade, Mr. Kessler, Tessa Smith, Brianna Cornelius.
Mr. Beck, Charles Dixon and Charlie Howe.
Mr. Hill, Miles Spicer, Hannah Fenner.
Mrs. Adderman, Noah Wood.
Mrs. Babbitt, Carter Woodruff.
Parents, if you would like to come now, come down for a picture.